Hi art friends! Today we're going to draw a cute carve dressed in a blue overall. Let's get started. To draw the cute carve, we're going to start by drawing the head. So at the center of the page, I am going to draw a curve that goes up and round it off at the top, goes across the page, comes back down like this. And for the cheek, we're going to bring it out slightly so that it has a cute cheek. And we're going to connect at the bottom. So that's the shape of the carved head. And then we're going to add two cute eyes. So I'm gonna start by drawing a long oval. And then I'm going to draw the other eye. That's the same size. And in each eye, I'm going to add another oval for highlights and shade in the rest of the eye with black. And I'm going to add some lashes. And the brows. So next we'll draw the snout, and then so we're gonna start right between the eyes by drawing a curve that goes up to the top and then comes back down. And we're gonna draw two small circles for the nostrils. And we're gonna start in the middle. So here, I'm gonna draw a curved line that goes down and back up. And same on the other side. And add a little cute mouth to give a sweet smile. Next, we're gonna draw the ears. So at the side of the head, we're gonna start here and draw a curved line that goes up and down. And at the tip, we're going to bring it back, curved line down and up. So it's like a leaf shape. And we're going to draw this point across. And same thing, up and down. And bring it back from the tip. And from here, we're going to draw a curved line that comes down and goes back up. From the tip, comes down and go back up. So next we're gonna draw the horns, and so I'm just gonna give myself a point here that is above the brows, and I'm gonna curve it down like this and draw this point across to here. And bring it back down. And I am going to give the carve some cute hair. So bring a curve that comes down like this. And then from the tip, we're going to draw this curve back up, like a strand of hair. And like this, a shorter one. One that comes up. You can be really creative in terms. Then I'm going to draw the main body of the carve. So I'm gonna start with the shoulders. So from here, I am going to draw a soft curve that comes down this way. And on the other side. And I'm just going to curve out slightly, but then bring it back towards the center. Same on the other side. So this would be the two legs, and I am going to find the armpit, so maybe around here. We're going to draw another slanted line that follows the same angle as the outside. And same for the other leg. So this curve will be sitting, so I'm going to connect here, so like right above the bottom of the leg, I am going to draw a soft curve that comes down slightly and bring it back up. So for the other two legs, I am going to start around here, so this will be like the elbow of the front leg, and I will draw a curved line that goes up and bends back down. So the curve is sitting, and so I'm going to draw another point across from here that goes out and comes back down. And from there, I am going to connect from this point to the leg, but I am going to draw it with like a slight curve because this will be the feet. So I'm going to round it out and come back in. So that will be the bottom of the feet, and then same on the other side. So that will be the main body of the little cute curve, and I am going to make it wear an overall. So I'm going to draw the straps from here to here. And we're going to draw a straight line that connect the straps. And I will give 2 circles. These are the buttons and a pocket. And I'm going to draw an angle line from here to here. So we're gonna shade it in later, but now we're just gonna draw a slanted line that comes from the leg down. Right, so let's now color it. I'm going to use light pink to start by coloring the inside of the ear. And the cute mouth area. I'm going to add blushes on the cheek. So I'm going to just draw like a flat oval and shade it in with pink for extra cuteness. And also the bottom of the feet, so I'm also going to use pink because it's a baby carve. And next I'm going to color the hair, so you can feel free to use whatever color you want for the hair. It's time to be creative. And because I'm using acrylic markers, so I can cover the line here. I'm going to color the overall in blue, but again, feel free to use whatever color you want. going to draw a curve here that comes down, like an upside down U. This will be the hooves, and we're going to shade it in. And same on the other side, upside down W. And that is our cute calf dressed in the blue overall. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new uploads. Thanks for drawing with me, and I'll see you next time.